Being a class website, you're probably going to want to put materials like task sheets and additional support materials on your page. And a great way to do this as a display is to host a document. So you can see that on one of my websites here, where if you scroll down, there is a task sheet, and rather than just being a small file, there's actually a sheet that's displayed, and you can scroll through the document as you go and then continue scrolling through the page. So it's great for students to just be able to see that material there on the page without having to go searching for it. And the way to do that is by using the document tool. So we're still in the build function, and I've scrolled past text and images all the way down to this document one here. So all you want to do is pick that button, drag that over and release. And it then takes a little while, particularly if you've got other items on the page. All right, and you can see that it is coming up here. So you simply click this to upload a new file and select the upload file button. This is where you can then upload a document from your computer that you already have saved. And you can also change the file size. So you might like it to be quite small so it doesn't take up the whole page. Just note though to students that in order to scroll through the document, they need to have their mouse hovered over the document and then scroll up and down through it. So you can see that on my example here, that if I'm outside of the document and I scroll, I'm just going from the top to the bottom of the page. Whereas if I have my mouse in that document, and are scrolling up and down, it goes through that document itself. Okay, so that is how you upload a document. You also might like to upload a file for students to then download. So there are a few different ways to do this. There is a button, and I'm going to show you that in another tutorial. But for this tutorial, I'm going to show you the file. So to select that, just click that, drag it over, and wait for that to load. And it will then have this here. So click here to upload a file. So you click that, upload a file. So it works the exact same way. It just means that you can have a document here and a little download button so that students can download the document that you have. You can also rename this part here. So rather than click here to upload file, you might like to have something that says click here to download this task sheet. And that just makes it really clear to students that while they can see the task sheet here or see the document, this is where they will click in order to download it. All right, good luck.